Pip, a tiny elephant with giant ears, lived in the heart of the jungle. His ears were so big that he could hear everything from miles away. One day, Pip was playing with his friends, a monkey named Miko and a parrot named Polly. Suddenly, Pip's ears twitched and he heard a distant rumble.
What is that noise? Michael asked, scratching his head. It sounds like rushing water. Pip exclaimed, his ears flapping with alarm. Polly flew up high to take a look and gasped, a flood is coming this way. We need to warn everyone, Pip shouted, sprinting through the jungle with Michael and Polly.
They reached the river where animals were drinking water, unaware of the danger.
Run! A flood is coming! Pip hollered with all his might.
The animals looked at him in surprise, but soon saw the rushing water. Everyone scrambled to higher ground as the floodwaters approached rapidly. Even the slow-moving tortoises picked up their pace, thanks to Pip's warning. The floodwaters roared past, but all the animals were safe on the hilltop.
Michael hugged Pip and said, "You see this, Pip? Your ears are amazing." Polly nodded. "You are a hero, Pip." Pip blushed and replied, "I'm just glad we're all safe."
From that day on, everyone trusted Pip's incredible ears. Pip felt proud and happy, knowing his big ears had made a big difference. As the sun set, Pip, Miko, and Polly watched the jungle return to peace. Pip realized his small size didn't matter. It was his big heart that counted. And with a contented sigh, Pip settled down for a well-deserved rest.